but the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Out came the rain and let the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider came up the spout again. Yeah. What's going on, sweetie? What? Sarah, what sound does a cow make? That's right. Hello. If I say hello, what do you say? Hi? Good girl. Hello. So what's in there? There's nothing there. Sarah, 1. What comes after 1? What's next? 2. 2. Can you say 2? 2. 3. Good girl. I think I heard 3. Where's your head? Where's your head? Where's your head, Sarah? I can't find your head. Where's your head? Can you show me your nose? How about if I do head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Come on, Sarah. Head. Come on, head. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good girl. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Touch your nose.
Hi.
Good girl with the nose. Can you jump? Can you jump? I want to see you jump. Come on, jump. Jump. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yay. Yes. Good try.
I got you.